Today's Daily Bake.
Grab them by the pussy.
That guy is such a total pussy, it's stunning.
Fuck her right in the pussy.
Pussy!
On a pussy. Pussy's pussy.
Pussy! Stop talking out of your pussy right now.
So thanks to Republican nominee Donald Trump, it's suddenly okay to say pussy on live TV.
I did try and fuck her. She was married. I moved in her like a bitch, but I couldn't get there, and she was married. I just started kissing them. It's like a magnet. You just I don't even wait. And when you're a star, they let you do it. You can do anything.
Whatever you want.
Grab them by the pussy. Hello, how are you? Hi.
Trump, how are
nice seeing you.
I respect women. I love women. I cherish women, you know.
Grab them by the pussy. Grab them by the pussy. Pussy. Pussy.
The media had a field day with the pussy bomb.
I have to answer the question, what did you do the day you saw the tape of this man boasting about grabbing a woman's pussy? Period.
All right.
Will you please stop saying that word? My daughter is listening.
You know what, Scotty? You know what, Scotty? Don't tell me you're offended when I say pussy, but you're not offended when Donald Trump says.
People reacted by saying that the following are more electable than Donald the Pussy Grabber. Lord Voldemort, Wilson, Patrick the Star, a block of cheese, and a lazy fat cat. Clinton, on the other hand, reacted like this. So, here's Daily Bake's take on Trump's pussy comment. Trump is the man.
Trump's comments were misogynistic and despicable. Private or not, sexual assault is inexcusable.
Locker room talk, 11 years ago.
He was 59.
All dudes do it. Politics requires impartiality, so we are honored to have 14-time Pulitzer winner Rock the Stone to comment on Trump and his quote, pussy. So what are the socio-political ramifications for Trump saying pussy? Interesting. As a democratic state, how are we to react to all this?
We fucking love you, bro!
You, sir, are an inspiration. As The Rock says, boys will be boys, but will you trust a boy with nuclear codes?
Hey, babe, a nuclear bomb for a huge nuclear hottie. Wait, it's real, girl. Do you smell something burning? I made it scorch in here for you.
In other news,
Wait, if we can say pussy, how come we still can't say dick?